Hello scale modelers from YouTube, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'd like to show you my build of a car, which I consider one of the most beautiful Le Mans winners of all times. The 1978 Alpine Renault A442B Turbo. So, stay tuned. The Renault Alpine A442B is a sports prototype racing car, designed and built by Alpine, but funded and powered by Alpine's owners Renault, specifically to contest the 24 Hours of Le Mans race, Circuit de la Sarthe in France. This A442B finally won the race on the third occasion, in the hands of Didier Pironi and Jean-Pierre Jaussaud, on the 10th and 11th of June 1978. The 500 horsepower of the Renault V6 Turbo No. 2 resisted till the end of the 5,000 kilometers that will have to be covered, in average, at more than 200 kilometers per hour for win this 24 hours of the Le Mans race. The fight is close between Renault and Porsche, in the pits as on the track. Concern grows as the end is approaching. Certainly, there is already the lap record widely broken in 3 minutes 34 hundredths seconds, but it is not yet the real one, the big victory. On the 11th of June 1978 at 4 p.m., it was done. There was cheers at the finish of the 24 Hours of Le Mans, the toughest race in the world. First was the French Alpine Renault A442B Turbo in yellow, white, and black.
Jean-Pierre Jaussaud, en tête du classement à la distance.
The car had run the 24 hours with the two drivers, Didier Pironi and Jean-Pierre Jaussaud, taking turns. For years ago the Matra was victorious. This was the first win since then by a French car and drivers. In 3 years of efforts, Renault registered its name once again on the list of the 24 Hours of Le Mans. The two drivers were pouring champagne upon each other, and the crowd started singing the Marseillaise, the national anthem of France. The impact of Le Mans was commensurate with the intense suspense caused by the dual Renault-Porsche. Tens of millions of men and women have somehow been informed of this great performance thanks to the mass media, by images and words without borders that were spreading to the four corners of the world. The kit is the Tamiya No. 24011, in 1/24th scale. Although this kit is to be a motorized model, I built it without the electric motor that comes in the box. The Alpine Renault A442B Turbo, winner of the Le Mans 24-hour race in 1978, is painted in Renault colors, white and black on a yellow ground. Seen on the car body are sponsor names such as Elf, a French petroleum company, and Michelin, a French tire maker, as well as the letters Alpine Renault. The kit comes also with a driver figure, but I didn't use it. I painted and applied the decals only for the helmet. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below with any question or feedback. Thanks. See you in the next video.